Um, there I there is a French bulldog in my neighborhood who's really like the crack dog. He like runs back and forth and back and forth. And one of my favorite toys is really a tried and true that has been around for like ever, and that's the Chuckit. I love the Chuckit balls, and I love the Chuckits because you can be from here to there and they're just going to run. I absolutely love Chuckits, and especially for high energy dogs to, go back and forth. I think that it's a great thing, and it's been around for a long time. They're sturdy. They have replacement balls, and it allows dogs to really get off that energy and make sure that they're getting the exercise that they need.